Hi students, how are you? This is your EVS class. Today we are going to discuss how to write classwork exercise in your classwork note. Shall we move? Just you will take a new page, write date and day properly, write lesson 5. The name of the lesson is How Our Body Works. You must write neatly in a cursive format. You must put correct Roman letter, write the correct heading. If you are writing the filling the blanks, you must underline the correct answer. My dear kids, please you will try to follow this one. Definitely your classwork will be very neat. Shall we move? I will explain one by one. You will try to follow. First Roman letter, new words. First Roman letter, new words. The first one, external organs. External organs. Second one, internal organs. Internal organs. Third one, heart. Heart. Then fourth one, brain. Brain. Fifth one, stomach. Stomach. Sixth one, lungs. Lungs. Seventh one, beating. Beating. Eighth one, chest. Chest. Ninth one, breathe. Ninth one, breathe. 10th one, pumps. Pumps. 11th one, digest. Digest. 12th one, bones. 12th one, bones. 13th one, muscles. Muscles. Then 14th one, swells. Swells. 15th one, swallow. Swallow. 16th one, together. Together. Up to this, we have completed our new words. If you are completing first Roman letter, just you will leave one line and put second Roman letter. The second Roman letter is filling the blanks. Filling the blanks. First one, the dash is inside our head. The dash is inside our head. Already you learned. I know you know the answer. What is the answer? Try to say. The dash is inside our head. The answer is brain. Very good. The brain is inside our head. So, my dear students, please underline the word brain. Shall we move to the next one? Heart. Heart is in dash side of our chest. Heart is in which side? Right or left? Which is the correct answer? Left. Heart is in left side of our chest. So, underline the word left. Shall we move to the next one? 3. Third one. There are dash lungs in our body. There are how many lungs we have? We have 2 lungs. Very good. So, there are 2 lungs in our body. So, underline the word lungs. Shall we move to the next one? Fourth one. Lungs are present in our dash. In which place our lungs are present? Head, stomach, then where? Lungs is in our chest. Very good. Chest is correct answer. So, lungs are present in our chest. Underline the word chest. Fifth one, the dash pumps blood to different parts of our body. Which internal organ is used to pump the blood? Brain, lungs, then which one? Heart. That is the correct answer. So, the heart pumps blood to different parts of our body. So, you have to underline heart. Shall we move to the sixth one? Bones and muscles are covered by dash. Our bones and muscles are covered by skin. Okay, covered by skin. So, underline the word skin. You must underline the correct answer. Seventh one. We have dash bones in our body. How many bones we have? How many bones we have? 206. Very good. 206. So, we have 206 bones in our body. So, underline the word 206. Okay, students. Shall we move to this next Roman letter? Already we have completed Roman letter 1 new words. Then Roman letter 2 filling the blanks. Now we are going to see Roman letter 3, that is right, true or false. Right, true or false. Okay, the first one. All parts of our body is called internal organs. Actually, in our body we are having two types of organs, internal and external organs. But here they given all parts of our body is called internal organs. Is it true or false? Is it true or false? Yes, it is false. It is false. Shall we move to the second one? We should take care of our body. We should take care of our body. Is it true or false? We must take care of our body. So, it's true. Shall we move to the third one? Third one. Bones and muscles help us move, run and play. Our bones and muscles help us to move, run and play. Is it true or false? True or false? This answer is true. Very good. True. Shall we move to the fourth one? The food we eat goes inside our lungs. So, lungs only is used to digest our food. This is true or false? Then which organ is used to digest our food? Which organ? Our stomach only is used to digest our food only, But here they given lungs. So, it's true or false? This is false statement. So, this is false. Shall we move to the fifth one? The stomach controls all the organs of our body. Stomach is one of the internal organ. It is used to control all the parts of our body. Is it true or false? The statement is false. Then which organ is used to control our body? Which organ? Our brain. Brain is only used to control all the parts of the body, But here they given stomach. So the statement is false. Shall we move to the next one? Sixth one. Eyelids do not have any bones in our body. When we are reading the lesson, that time I explained that do you know? Which organs do not have any bones? Which parts of our body do not have any bones? Upper part of the ears, our tongue and eyelids. So here they given eyelids do not have any bones in our body. That is correct statement. So answer is true. My dear kids, in your class work note, you are having totally 5 Roman letters. First, new words. Then second, filling the blanks. Third one, write true or false. Next, answer the following and mind map. So, my dear students, just you have to split it. First 3 Roman letter, first day you must complete. Then 4 and 5th, when you are having a free time, your holidays, you will try to complete. Okay? No need to write all the note exercise in a one day. Just you have to split it and write. It will be very neat. Okay, dear? Shall I explain to the 4th one? 4th Roman letter. Answer the following. Answer the following. The first one. Write the types of organs. Write the types of organs. How many organs we have in our body? There are two types of organs. There are two types of organs. First one, external organs, internal organs. External organs, internal organs. Okay. If you are completed first question, you have to leave one line and move to the second question. Second question is, what are called external organs? What are called external organs? The parts which are outside our body is called external organ. The parts which are outside our body is called external organs. This is the answer of second question. Shall we move to the third question? Again, you have to leave one line and move to the third question. In that third question, what are called internal organs? Already we know internal organs means inside, external organs means outside. So just you have to change the word inside alone. Okay. So the part which are inside our body is called internal organs. Okay. Shall we move to the fourth question? Again, leave one line and move to the fourth question. Name some internal and external organs. In this question, we are going to write some parts, external parts and the internal parts. Okay. The first one, external organs. What are the external organs? Head, eyes, nose and ears. Okay. What are called the internal organs? Brain, lungs, heart and stomach. Any four external organs you will write and any four internal organs you will write in this question. Shall we move to the fifth question? How are bones and muscles useful for us? How? Bones and muscles work together to make us move, run and play. So, with the help of bones and muscles only, we have able to run, we have able to move and able to play. So, in our body, our bones and muscles only control all our movements. Okay, this is the fifth question. Up to fifth question, you answer the following over. Okay, dear kids, after complete the answer the following, just you have to leave one line and move to this next Roman letter, fifth Roman letter, mind map. Mind map. Mind map. What is mean by mind map? Mind map means it's a very simple explanation. If you are seeing the mind map, easily you can understand what they have asked and what they have written. Okay, mind map is the simple way. So first mind map, draw a mind map for types of organs in our body. We are going to draw a mind map for types of organs. So first you have to center, you will write body. It consists of two types, external organs and internal organs. So on the center you will write body. Just you have to separate internal or external organs and internal organs. External organs, we are having four external organs. Anything you will write, head, then eyes, nose, ears. Here internal organs, brain, lungs, heart, stomach. Okay, you will write one by one. This is the mind map. Body, it consists of external organs, internal organs. Here four external organs, here four internal organs. Okay, dear kids. Up to this, your lesson over. After complete the classwork activities, I will send the worksheet. You will do it correctly. In your classwork note also, you will write neatly. Okay, kids. Shall I meet in the next video? Thank you, students. Bye.